Hello everyone, this is Chioma. Welcome to my channel and the review video of ConvatPro. ConvatPro is a software that was developed by Dr. Tony Kings, and he says is an optimizing training and software that leverages the power of split testing to improve your online marketing campaigns to achieve higher conversions and as well increase your sales. So guys, if this sounds like something you like, stick with me as I'll go into details whilst also giving you a full demo of how the software works. But do not forget to click down below on the bell icon for notification, leave a comment, and click the like, share, subscribe button. And as usual, guys, I've also added some of my awesome bonuses today. For you to access my bonuses, also click on the link that is in the description box below. Now, without further ado, let me take you guys to the sales page. Let's see what Dr. Tony is saying about this product. So he's saying it's cutting-edge method that leverages the power of optimization and automation to skyrocket conversions and affiliate commissions. Right here are the features of this software. Like I mentioned earlier, automated, fast and easy, job crushing and recession proof, work from home or on a beach with your laptop, 100% beginner friendly, done for you campaigns, no guesswork, multiple traffic sources, kill up to 100 birds with one stone, never pay subscription for a tracking software, and then you start earning less and you start working more, you start working less and earning more, right? So he's saying that with this software you get to work less time and then you earn more money, and also you have a 30-day money back guarantee, no questions asked. Right here are the 3 steps that you need to deploy to get this app up and running. So the first one is for you to get the unique ConvatPro Optimized link. Then you energize your link, and then of course sit back and watch your commissions roll in. Right here are the screenshots from what they have made so far using the software. And then moving down, guys, this is Dr. Tony Kings here, the guy that puts together this app. And then I'm going to take you guys quickly to the users of this app, what they are saying about this app. So this is Jody Griffins right here. She says that I thought Tony was exaggerating when he told me that this method is simple and works in any niche, but I'm ashamed to admit that I was dead wrong. I can tell you unequivocally that ConvatPro lives up to his claims. Great job, Tony. And then Kim right here says, honestly, seeing this was a breath of fresh air for me. There's so much junk out there and it's becoming increasingly difficult to find genuine stuff. But after watching what Tony put together, after seeing what Tony put together, I know this is not your regular make money online system. And Emil right here says, I'm actually lost for words right now. Not sure how Tony pulled this one off, but whatever he's done to make this method worth it, I know actually works. Can't tell you how much I'm just loving it. All right, now you have heard what users of this software have said concerning this product. Let me take you guys quickly to the bonuses that Tony has added. So he says to sweeten the deal, you will also get 1,500 plus in free bonuses. So the first bonus that he has added is setting up your online business for success. It's actually a tutorial. And then the second bonus is how to make money online the smart way. And then the third bonus is how to build professional landing pages without paying for subscription. And then the fourth one is how to build $10,000 plus per month online business starting with $0. And then the fifth one is free traffic domination with YouTube training. All right, guys, now I have shown you his bonuses. Let me quickly take you to mine so that you can see what I have added today. So the first one that I added today, guys, is access to 2 high quality tutorial traffic access to you. So basically this the bonuses that I've added today will help you generate traffic, help you build your list also. And then the second one is access to Eclipse. The first, and this applies to the first 12 hours only. And then the second The third bonus that I've added is Juno's 3 favorite traffic sources, guys. And then the fourth one is Fuego multiplier. The fifth one is access to all vendor bonuses. Remember, guys, that the clock is ticking and my bonuses are applied to those that purchase within this time frame. So as soon as this timer runs out, guys, I am not assuring you that you have access to all the bonuses that I've mentioned. And if you signed in, guys, through Warrior Plus, all you need to do is to click on the blue button where it says access affiliate bonus, and my bonuses shall be added. If it's through JVZoo, where the red arrow is pointed, click on that box, and then my bonuses shall be automatically added. Now you have seen the sales page, you have seen the bonuses. Let me show you guys the prices and the upsells. So about the front end, guys, is $17.95. Of course, you have access to the software and training models. The upgrade one, the upsell one, which is the unlimited. Of course, you have unlimited access to the app with absolutely no limit to the number of optimization campaigns. Remember, with the front end, you have 29 optimization campaigns per month and reset after 30 days. But with the upgrade one, you have unlimited. And then the upgrade two, which is the ConvatPro 10 times. So you have 10 done for you high converting split tested squeeze / landing pages for the most lucrative niches online. And then the upgrade 3, which is the virtual ATM, is $197. So you put your tracking pixels on their sales pages and then take advantage of hundreds of thousands of visitors. And then the upgrade 4, which is the reseller license right, is $197. So you get to sell it and make commissions throughout the funnel for yourself. And then the upgrade 5, which is one-on-one coaching call. So you get the opportunity to chat with Dr. King for 60 minutes. And guys, like I mentioned earlier, here are some of the benefits that you will be getting from this software. Get squeeze and landing pages of our sales pages and all that, the traffic, and then link shortening and cloaking, and also lead generation and list building and email marketing and optimization. Yes, this is what he is promising today, that you will enjoy using this app. All right, guys, basically that's all I have to show you guys today. I have shown you pretty much everything you need to see, from the sales page, the features of the product, and then the bonuses, the prices, and the upsells already. That is all that I have to share with you guys today. Remember, for you to have access to my bonuses, guys, all you need to do is to click on the link that is in the description box below. It will take you to my sales page right here. And remember that this product is going live today in a matter of few hours. So you have access to all the bonuses that I've mentioned, which will be available for you within this time frame. So it's going to be right here till the next 3 days. So after which, when its timer resets to 00, you probably will not have access to all the bonuses that I've mentioned. So guys, I appreciate you sticking with me, sharing my videos, watching, buying through my link. And guys, if you know someone that this software will be of help to, do not forget to share. Thanks so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. You stay safe. Bye.